Just what could happen. Just what could happen. Just what could happen. Just what could happen. Just what could happen.
Verbal anatomy, the prime time for your mind stuff. Lyrically, I'll be the illest monster. Stomp ya. One for the treble testing on board Concorde. Slovenia Flight 11 soaring way beyond your comprehension. Watch the engine toppling and mop the opposition out to knock my vision, slaughtering and not to mention hostages. I'm off inside the fortune often while I'm scoping, whopping open bottles, dropping token throttles. I get open, stopping ain't an option. Dropping solar cosmic bombs and toxic rollers, quantum sock your whole kaboggan. I'm a mess. Test the G rap, I'll see you back it over me. 1,000 patterns back, I'll leave your atoms apples swelling, phantoms laughing like I'm Adam Sandler, smacking average amateurs, it's lacking savage matador of half immortal rapping, lacking moral standards, having or Spanish black. You know the man is cracking open planets, rapid zone commanding, patch his shoulder has been infatual when Gavin Black. You know his passion packed and loaded, fashion flinch. I make it happen.
Just what could happen. Just what could happen. Just what could happen. Just what could happen.
Crush your brain and never bust in vain, and lust to train amongst insane youngsters craving, aiming for the jugular vein. Complain above your rain, I scream to shove you out your lane. It's pain, I came to snub you, aiming up your lame and uglier. Ancient culture angles tangle up your mangle structure. Abduct your probe, your brain is over, Novocaine ain't up to my alien invasion. You're a crazy and a raging all, occasionally making your amazed I ventilate when all patience is away and gone. My nature is to take you, break your arm and leg and make you call me, make it take your calm away and haunt you all night. Crying in your dreams are rhyming when I scheme. I'm trying to let you beam and set your screen ablaze with fire. It's the quiet, humble monster posted like a lion, sitting in the cut, knowing you're sleeping on me, about to rudely wake you up and coolly take the cup, the trophy, shake you up, the captain, rap and rock the boat. I shock you though, I'm not the soldier kid, I make it happen. Get the gap, y'all, garbage man, y'all, Black Alicious, y'all, lifesaver movement, and we don't stop, and we can't stop, cause we won't stop, cause we can't stop, and we won't stop, cause we can't stop, and we don't stop. We rock on, we rock
Just
on.
what could happen. Just what